I am confused about the ibadah of Dhul Hijjah. On the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah, should we say only Tahmeed, Tahliil and Takbeer, or should we say Tasbih also? And also the Takbeer, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd. Do we need to say this from the day of Arafah, or we should make zikr with this on the first 10 days as well?
First of all, you should only ask one question. And sneaking two questions is not fair. And if I answer it, I will be opening the door. So I will answer your first question. The first 10 days of the Hijjah, for those who are not going to perform Hajj, the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, that these days are the best days of the year. And doing good deeds in it is the best. And nothing would surpass doing good deeds in it except for a man who goes out of his home with his wealth to fight in the cause of Allah. And he dies as a martyr and his wealth is gone and he comes back with nothing. He's dead, martyred, but his wealth is also spent in the cause of Allah. So this is the ultimate. So doing good deeds cannot reach that level, but it is better than any other thing, such as fasting, which the Prophet used to do, alayhi salatu wasalam, in the first 9 days of the Hijjah, such as giving charity, such as helping others, reading the Quran, doing dhikr. Part of the dhikr is what we call a dhikrul mutlaq, the expanded dhikr. So in these 10 days, it is recommended to say Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar, Wallahil hamd throughout the day and night. Not limiting it to after fard prayer. So we say this and say it hundreds of times. And our tongues are moist with saying this dhikr. If you would like to add Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, that's fine. But the prescribed dhikr is as I mentioned. Now, on the 9th, the Fajr of the 9th of Dhul Hijjah, which is the Fajr of Arafah, till before the sunset of the 13th, or to be more accurate, till after Asr of the 13th of Dhul Hijjah, these 4 days are known to be, or the 4 or 5 days, who's counting, known to be Takbeer Muqayyad, where we say Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Lahil hamd after fard prayers. So in addition to throughout the whole day and night, we specifically say it after the 5 fard prayers. Then we do our normal adhkar, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.